Hi, I'm Dr. Leah Light of the Brainchild Institute. I'm owner and director of the Institute. I'd like to tell you a little bit about how we got started here. I started the practice in October of 2000, and the program was originally dedicated towards helping children that had auditory processing disorders. My background is in special education, and my master's and doctorate are in audiology. And I was always interested in why children had normal hearing sensitivity, yet they didn't appear to hear normally. And I started down the path of auditory processing disorders to try to understand this mystery, which many of us are still trying to unravel. But I need to tell you that auditory processing disorders rarely exist in isolation. Most children with auditory processing problems have a conglomerate of problems. They may have visual tracking problems, handwriting issues, postural problems, clumsiness, and I wondered to myself why I kept seeing the same combination of problems over and over again. What I discovered is that our auditory system is not modular. We don't hear in isolation. Everything is integrated and interrelated with everything else. And so if you want to improve auditory processing, you must improve the entire brain function. The vestibular system is a very important key in this whole process. The inner ear consists of the hearing and balance mechanisms intertwined into one unit that we call the inner ear. And it is the only system that at birth is fully developed, fully formed, and completely myelinated, which lets me know that it is a really important system and has to be ready to work optimally at birth. One of the reasons why it has to work optimally is because we are faced with something called gravity. Gravity is the universal constant. Everything is referenced to gravity, including our brain development, and all of our motor functions are related to gravity. If we have poor functioning in the gravitational system or in our rotational system in the inner ear and the brainstem and cerebellum, then our whole learning system will be turned upside down. So at Brainchild Institute, we address these problems. We look at auditory processing, sensory processing, motor processing. We address these problems at their foundational roots. We deal a lot with primary reflexes, which is the origin of our neurological functioning. To learn more about the Brainchild Institute and what we do here, please contact our office at 954-987-8887. Thank you.